Hello, it's Becca. Today I'm here to do another haul video. Thank you so much for all the responses on my last one. I didn't expect to get that many just because especially it was my first one. So stoked. Appreciate. Thank you very much. So I decided to do another Korean haul video for you guys. I love watching these hauls. I love filming them. So yes, let's get into it. So I'm going to start with a shop called Common Unique. Warning, most of the stuff I think is from Common Unique just because I recently discovered it and I was shook. Yes, first item on the agenda is this jumper. It's a really oversized type of jumper that I like. I have a few that are really similar to this in different colors. But this color specifically, I was looking for something like this. It's a very specific kind of muted neon green that's really on trend lately. So a muted color like this is a really good way to incorporate the neon trend into your outfit. If you don't like that really bright neon, this is a really good option. And the next is this really pretty dress. It's a very nice wintry, thick, stretchy knit material and it's got this really pretty floral pattern on it. It's also got these puff sleeves that give it a bit more structure and a little bit more presence. It is a little bit short. It's around just a little above mid-thigh on me, but obviously that will be different according to how tall you are. I'm around 170. I should probably measure again, I haven't actually done it in a while. On the website it said Jenny and Sana's pick, so I think they might have worn the same dress at some point, but I'm not exactly sure when. So if you guys know, then please let me know. But I'm asking for a friend. The more things in common with them, the better. I also have another dress. It is this really pretty kind of dark red gingham dress, as I believe Ashley from Best Dress has coined picnic bitch kind of dress. It's like a mix between a square and a sweetheart neckline, and it's got this tie wrap thingy that goes around your waist so that you can cinch it and give it a bit more shape. Next is this blouse that I was super excited for because it's just so pretty. I can't really tell if it's purple or pink, but I think it's mainly purple, and it's got this really pretty floral pattern on it and this peplum kind of design and a little bit of shirring and some buttons in the front, and it's also got an elasticated cuff, the big elastic part right here. It could be a little bit better fitted for me, so I'm trying to decide whether to leave it or to do something about that. But otherwise, it's so pretty and I'm pretty happy with it. Honestly, I just can't get over the pattern though. It's so pretty. I got another super pretty floral top. This one also has the shirring in the front, but it's a little bit different because it's the style where you can pull it and adjust it and tie it. It's also got an elastic at the bottom so that it gives a little bit more of a puff. It's got puff sleeve and square neckline, so all the good stuff. It's got this really cute rose pattern and it's in a beige color. It's actually winter here right now and it's clearly a summer top, but with summer tops like this I think I can just put on like a white turtleneck underneath and somehow work it into my winter. Wish me luck with that. So excited about this button down that I got. It's a brown beige gingham pattern and it's also got a really pretty puff sleeve to make it a little bit more feminine. It's pretty thin, so it's very trans-seasonal, and it's also got one of those collarless styles. I also bought these jeans to match with it. I've been loving the beige tones, as you can see. So these are like beige straight jeans and I'm pretty happy with the fit. It's not overly skinny or too wide. Really random, but I like how they also used contrast stitching with like a darker brown. A good option to have if you think white might be a little bit too harsh, or if you're also wearing like white shoes and you don't want to be like too whited out. Finally got a pair of wide leg jeans. I've been looking for a good pair ever since I saw a girl walking down the street with like wide leg jeans and like a hoodie and headphones in, and she just looks so cool. So I finally got a pair. So not only are wide pants a lot more comfortable, but they also give off a very relaxed, cool kind of vibe. It's in a nice classic mid-wash and yeah, they really do give off that effect that I was going for, so thank you, random girl in the street. Sorry, today is such a bad hair day. I have no idea what's going on down here. Ugh. And the last item from Common Unique is this skirt. So pretty. I love all the details like the frills and the slight like crinkled texture and the little ruffles here. It's got this really wide elastic for the waistband. It is a little bit short on me, so we'll definitely have to wear shorts underneath. Otherwise it's an A-line and super flowy. With this white skirt, the model had paired it with another top, like a separate blouse that had kind of like the same vibe, but the one that they had on the site was a little bit expensive and I knew I'd already spent so much at this shop, so I decided not to get it. But then I was shopping on Stylenanda. I happened to come across this top and it was similar to the one that was on Common Unique, so I immediately thought of the skirt and how it would look with the skirt, and I just decided to get it. It was a lot cheaper, so no regrets though, because look at the details on this top. Firstly, it's got a ruffle neckline, and then it's got like a shirred chest area. It's got ruffles on the sleeve and also a shirred cuff. It's also got these nice like 3D polka dots, and it also came with innerwear, so thank you. But yeah, you can see how they look really nice together, and they actually look like set or like a dress. I love how you could also pair this with jeans to like make it a little bit more casual. And the next shop is called Cherryville. So I got this t-shirt. It's such a nice fabric. It's so much softer than all my other t-shirts. It's really lightweight, but I really liked the print that was in the front. Sometimes Asian t-shirt prints can get a little bit whack, but they did this right. I love how it's so minimal, and I like how it's brown, and I loved it so much that I also got it in beige. I got this from a shop called Amou. It is a jumper, pretty similar to the one that I showed before. This one's in a really nice beige color. I'm really starting to get a little bit obsessed with like the brown and beige tones. I don't know what brought it on, but love it. Korea honestly does oversized so well. They have mastered it, and this is no exception. The fit is perfect. Also got a pair of black knit pants. They're a bootcut style, which means they are pretty fitted until like the bottom where they flare out a little bit. I thought it'd just be really relaxed and easy to wear with like a big oversized jumper, especially for winter, and I think I'll be able to get away with wearing like leggings and stuff inside as well. I'm a little bit scared to wear it because I don't want it to pill a lot, but apparently even the most highest quality of knits will pill eventually, so I might have to get me one of those pill remover combs. It's a thing. Speaking of knits, I have this cardigan. It is a crop cardigan and it's in the neon green. It's a little bit more loud and less muted than the other jumper that I showed you, but I just needed the variety in my life, you know? So like I said, it is cropped, and I like how it's still not too loud. It is still a little bit muted. And yeah, again, it's got like a drop shoulder so that it looks really oversized and relaxed. And it's got these cute tortoise buttons in the front. I think it'll just be a really fun way to make like a plain jeans and white t-shirt kind of look more interesting. Next, just a few things from one of my favorite shops, Stylenanda. Can't miss out Stylenanda. I have this dress. So pretty. So pretty. It is in a very vintage style. It's not really something that I have any occasion to wear to, but please someone invite me to a garden tea party so that I can wear this. It's in a predominantly pink and purple floral pattern with a pink base, and it's got a snap button in the front so that if you don't want to be too scandalous, then you can just close that up. I'm honestly super happy with this. It's also got a tie so that you can cinch in your waist with like a little cute bow at the back, and it's a little bit puffed out at the sleeves as well so that your shoulders have more structure. The length is a little bit longer than what I would go for, but since this is a vintage style, it goes well with it. It's kind of like knee length for me. I usually kind of go mid-thigh-ish. So yeah, someone please invite me for high tea so that I can wear this, and then we can go for like lacrosse afterwards or something. Got a couple of accessories from Stylenanda as well. Firstly, this necklace. It's very on trend with like the big chain. It's got this really cute pendant. It's a heart shape and it kind of looks like it's made out of like a shell. But yeah, I was sold by how versatile it was on the website. They have this girl wearing it with like a white nice kind of frilly top, but then they've also got a girl wearing it with like a hoodie, and it looks super cute. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. And I saw that there was also like a bracelet version, and I'm considering getting it. Also, I got it in silver instead of gold. I might consider getting the gold as well. Also got this clip set from Stylenanda, not the bottom part, but just the top part. I didn't know how else to store them, so. And they're a nice light gold, and it is just essentially a bunch of bobby pins with a lot of different designs. So it's like a wavy one, there's a squiggly one, There's like a snap clip, and yes, I love putting clips in my hair if you didn't already know, so almost forgot. But I also got this knit from a shop called Stylenanda, and it is perfect. It's in a washed out kind of pale yellow so that it's a little bit more toned down. It's not as big or oversized as my other jumpers, but again, variety. So fuzzy and so soft, it's actually wild. It's got a round neck and it's actually pretty lightweight as well. There's a bag shop online called Birch that I always check, so I got this bag. It is a cute crochet bag. It is really small and tiny, which kind of puts down its practical factor a little bit, but its cute factor out the roof. I love the texture of it, and it's got a snap closure like this, and also an inner pocket. It's more of a summer bag, so I can't really use it in the winter, so I'll be looking forward to using it when it's summer. I honestly apologize on behalf of my hair today. And lastly, I just got these earrings from a shop called Wannabe Stones. So I just picked these kind of, I don't even know how to describe this, wavy kind of abstract hoops, and this one is a set of 3 of little silver hoops that just go thicker and thicker. I'm happy with both of these and they were super cheap. So that's it for the end of this Korean haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. I was hoping to finish before the sun went down, but I failed, so it's really dark now. So thank you so much again for all the responses on my last videos. It's really just awesome to think about how people are enjoying the things that you put out there and they're finding it helpful and stuff like that. So yeah, I know it's not a huge number to some people out there, but it is to me, and I really appreciate every single one of you. So yeah, it's amazing motivation, and I hope to keep doing it. If you guys want to, you can also find me on Instagram. It's called Paint My Reverie. I post outfits and things like that, and I do like to put a bit of effort into the content that I put up there as well. So if you guys want to, you can also check that out. One thing I do want to mention about Korean fashion, they do have a lot of free size items, which is mainly like a New Zealand or UK size 6 to 10 or like small to medium. Highly recommend measuring yourself and then looking at the measurements that they always provide. I know a lot of Asian shops do this, and also Brandy Melville's like always under fire for this. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a really good day or night. I will see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. So yes, bye!